In front of me is HTC Desire 12S, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, pick System then, and click on Languages and Input. Pick Languages, so it's the first tab here. Click on Add a Language, and smoothly select the one that you would like to apply. So let me pick, for example, Croatian. Now slide it up to the first place, and once the language is on the first place, it will be a default language in your HTC Desire 12S. You can smoothly check it right here, so everything is in Croatian right now. And you can use your device in your native language. Then whenever you would like to change it again, just perform the same operation, and this is it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.